Dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're gonna talk about economic systems, chapter 2. So let's start. We have here what we have here uh, how the government influences how I make money in my society. We have three types here or more. We will see together the planned systems. But when I talk about the planned systems, I have here the communism. When I talk about communism, this means that I have a high degree of government control and high level of social services. So, as the government here offers social services to serve the society, and in between, I have socialism. It's between communism and capitalism, and the capitalism, which means that we have a free market system in this system, low degree of government control, low level of social services. So, let's have here a hint about this controlled economy. Okay, I want to show you something. I have here this one. I have controlled economy. Controlled economy, we have economic systems, free market economy, and mixed economy. So let's have a quick review about this. We are going to have here what are goods, what are services, what are resources, what are scarcity, what is scarcity, and we talked about this before. Let's have the new thing today, which is the economic systems. Definition of the economic system is what? It's the method. We have here a method or way used by a society to produce and distribute, of course, goods and services. Or we can say, in other words, how the government tells us what can we get and how to get it. All economic systems must consider the following questions, and they are very important for any society. What goods and services to produce, what we are going to produce in my society, how will they produce them, who will get them, how much will they produce now, and how much later. Each economic system answers these questions in different way. Types of economic systems, we have three types for economic systems. Let's see together. We have here the traditional economy. As we see here in the pictures, can you see the pictures with me? This one and the other one. Yes, we have here a family, a grandpa, a grandma, children's and parents we have here. So traditional economy, I'm talking about here, economic questions are answered by what? By the habits and the customs. So I have here children work the same jobs parents worked, often farming or hunter or gatherer. So they here are very afraid of change, like here the schemes. What about the command economy? The command economy, I'm talking about the government answers. The government answers the basic economic questions. The advantages of the government or the command economy, we have some advantages here. Yes, able to act quickly in emergencies, provide all people equally. Disadvantages, yes, it has also disadvantages here. Inefficient, or we have here no incentive to work hard or to be creative. We have here another example. We have here communist, communist countries like Chile, we like Vietnam, North Korea, former Soviet Union, and Cuba. So let's talk about this in more details. Now we have here the command economy. It's here directed by the government. When a country or the economy here is directed by government, this means that it serves here the social the citizens, and it has here this advantage, able to act quickly in emergencies. If you have an emergency, so the government will interact very easily and quickly for the emergencies, and provide all people equally here. The disadvantages, so it's inefficient, no incentive to work hard or to be creative. This is for the businessman, or yes, for the businessman to create or do something, like the producers here or the consumers. And we have here the example for Vietnam, North Korea, and former Soviet Union. What about the free market economy? We have here another kind of economist. This is the free market economy. This is economic questions are answered by what? This time by individual buyers and sellers. So supply and demand influence here the economy. People act out of self-interest, motivate for profit money drives the economy. Also known free enterprise or capitalism. So this is also known by free enterprise or capitalism. The United States, it's like here the United States, of course, Western Europe and Japan. Okay, I lied for something. I told you that we have three types of economic systems. No, but there is a fourth one now. It's the mixed economy. What about the mixed economy? No economy is pure market, pure command, or pure traditional elements of each appear in all economies. So we have here no pure market, no pure command, or pure traditional. We have elements of each appear in all economies. So let's have this one. If I say the USA, I have free market. If I say Great Britain, I have here mixed market. And for China, I have the command one. American mixed economy. While the United States is mostly a free market economy, it does have elements of a command economy, yes. Let's study together the features of American free market economy here. I have here some features for the American free market. Economic freedom. Individuals have the right to choose here. Competition. More than one producer of goods and services ensures what choice. So if you have more than here one producer for the goods and services, this ensures for you as a consumer to choose between. Private property. Individuals have the right to own their own property, including business. Self-interest. Individuals make decisions based on what is best for them. Of course, here individuals make these decisions based on what's best for them for profits. Voluntary exchange. Individuals may freely buy and sell goods. Profit motive. I have here individuals are driven by a desire to profit, make money. And this makes their economy very successful one. I have here features of American command economy. We have here, because we have here also, here we have part of their economy is command. Government regulations of some business practices. Example, the wages, the labor hours, the safety practice. Government limits certain choices. Example, cannot buy or produce certain goods or services. Government provides aid to the needy. Medicare, example, Medicare, welfare. Okay. So I have here something called the pizzeria. What does it mean? How my pizzeria function under different economic systems? Let's see. My pizzeria in a free market. I answer free market. I'm talking about myself. I answer the basic economic questions. I determine how much cheese and pepperoni goes on the pizza. I determine the quality of the cheese and pepperoni too. I set my employees' wages. I set my business hours. What about my pizzeria in a command economy? I'm talking about the government, answers the basic economic questions. The government sets the amount of cheese and pepperoni on each pizza. The government determines the quality of the cheese and pepperoni. The government sets the employees' wages. The government sets business hours. The problem is, what does the government know about the pizza? Okay, we will discuss this during the session. If you have any question, please send me on the SCL. I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you, my dear students. Bye bye.